Namaskar. We are in the third video of this current series. What is next? So, after discussion, the universities of North Gujarat area, Central Gujarat, today in this third lecture, I would like to cover the Baroda, Surat, Navsari, Saurashtra, and remaining institutes. So MS University, which is known for its based research work in the India, and this is the best university of the Gujarat in recent ranking system. The MS University offering PG programs in different subjects, 20 seats in biochemistry, 13 botany, integrated MS in cell and molecular biology, only for higher payment seat, MSc in environment science, higher payment seats, MSc in medical biotechnology, higher payment seats, MSc microbiology 20 seats, MSc statistic is there, MSc zoology is there for you. So for this one you have to pass the BSc in relevant subject or life science, and then you have to become eligible after passing the entrance exam. MSc in environment science, so that is interdisciplinary research subject. Then MSc biotechnology, where you are not getting direct admission through university. It is compulsory to crack the Jawaharlal Nehru University JNU common entrance exam for biotechnology. So you can get the admission only and only after cracking this JNU common entrance exam. This was the state university. Now it's the Parul University. Parul University is a name in the education. It is initially established in Vadodara, Vagodia, and two more campuses are in Ahmedabad and Rajkot. The university having much MSc programs, more MSc programs, MSc in biotech, biochemistry, micro, forensic science, MSc in environment science, MSc in nutrition dietitian, MSc in food technology, and MSc in genetic. So this is the third institute which offer the course MSc in genetics so far. GSFC, it is very known to all the farmers and public, Gujarat State Fertilizer Corporation. So GSFC has initiated the GSFC University, and it is a private university. It is within the GSFC campus in the Baroda, and there is a biotechnology, MSc biotechnology program for you. Otherwise, it gives the MSc organic and analytical chemistry. Navrachna University is a private university in this Baroda region, and it offers you MSc Biomedical and MSc Life Science. You may not heard this university, Team Lee Skilled University. So this is first kind, its own kind of university, skilled university. So all this program run by the university are skill based, though there is one course for you, DMLT, Sumandip Vidyapit. This is particularly medical background university. MBBS, MDS and related programs run by this university. It is near Piparia at Vagodia. So MLT, radiology imaging technician, X-ray technician, cardiac care technician, clinical nutrition. These all courses are offered by this Vidyapit, means university. ITM Vocational University, it is a private one and offering vocational courses, and you can apply for MSc MLT tech course here. National Rail and Transportation Institute. It is the India's first and only transportation university. There is no course for you, but for your kind information, I just cover the university. Sri Guru Gobind University. This is the state university for the Dahod, Godhra, Panchmahal region. So this university have a chemistry department and MSc chemistry. Only PG program run in the science. Just 2 year ago, this year, last year, Birsa Munda Tribal University Rajpipla has been established by the Birsa Munda, this government, Gujarat state. Then South Gujarat region. V. Narmad Dakshin Gujarat University. So in 2004, South Gujarat University renamed is Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. The programs available in the Department of Bioscience are MSc Zoology, Botany, Microbiology, MSc Bioscience with this subject, and purely MSc Bio, Microbiology, PGD MLT, PGD Diploma Toxicology is available. Integrated Biotechnology is there. MSc Microbiology, PG Diploma in Molecular and Biochemical Technology, and MSc Aquatic Biotechnology. So on the screen, you can see the self-finance sheets and finals, payment sheets you can see. Next one is Oro University. The Oro University is in Surat, Hazira Road. And this university have the programs in BSc and integrated master program. There is no much more detail about which MSc is offered by this university. Then before entering the Surat, there is a Kosamba on the highway. PP Savani University is there. So with nice presentation, 360 video, you can visit this PP Savani virtual tour through their websites. So it offering the MSc Biotechnology and MSc Microbiology. Uka Tarsadia University. So GCG Bhakta Institute of Biotechnology, Maliba campus, Bardoli Mowa Road, Tarsadi. This is a very old one of the non-institute in this region, and now it is as a university. So it's offering MSc Biotechnology, MSc Organic Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Industrial Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry, Microbiology, and MSc Mathematics. Navsari Agriculture University. It is in Navsari. What are the courses available? That we see later on. Plast India International University. It is at Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and it is its own different kind of university based on plastic technology. NIT Surat. So this is a well-known institute. It is not offering any course for you. So after the South Gujarat region, we switch over to the Saurashtra region. Saurashtra is a very large region and very limited numbers of institutes are there. Saurashtra University, Rajkot. This is the state university. Department of Bioscience have the MSc Micro, MSc Biotech, MSc Biochemistry. It has a very good college, Christ College. Christ College offering the MSc Microbiology program. One more college of this university is Virani Science College. So Virani Science College right now it is affiliated with Saurashtra University, but it is the member of Atmiya Group of Institute, and both programs are running in both one, Atmiya University and Virani Science College, MSc Biotech and MSc Microbiology, and MLT is there in Atmiya. So this is the Virani Science College, autonomous right now, and it is it is affiliated with Saurashtra University, Rajkot. Marwadi University. This is near to the Rajkot Morbi Road in Rajkot. And MSc in Chemistry, Microphysics, Maths, Environment Science and Biotechnology. So this university website is having the 360 virtual visit. So you should go and visit the whole university through your mobile. RK University. It is funded or established by the RK Group of in the RK Group and School of Science of RK Group having the MSc Microbiology one. This is near to the Kalawad Road in Rajkot. CUSA University. This is the only institute in a Surendranagar region, Vadwan city, and it having the master's program in biotech, physics, mathematics, chemistry and microbiology. In Jamnagar, Gujarat Ayurvedic University, an Indian Institute of Ayurvedic Pharmaceutical Science. It is for your kind knowledge. There is no course for you. Somnath Sanskrit University in Somnath. That is for your kind information. There is no course for you. In the Saurashtra region, one of the non-state university, that is the Bhavnagar University. Maharaja Krishna Kumar Sinhji Bhavnagar University. So this offering the MSc Microbiology and MSc Marine Biology. So MSc Marine Biology is not elsewhere apart from this university. Naimisaranya, it is the one of the richest institutional organization in that region, and it offers a diploma courses, DMLT and PG diploma in hospital healthcare, PG diploma in radiology, PG diploma in medical laboratory and clinical research. So in this region, the medical education institutes are operated by this Naimisaranya, and few of courses are available for you. CSIR Bhavnagar Center, and the center is CSMCRI, Center Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute. This is the central government institute, national institute. There is no course in this one, but just like government bodies, this institute is a research based institute, and it offers certain training programs, summer camp, and it allows you for the dissertation or internship program, but there is no course and certificate course over here. Bhakta Kavi Narsimha Mehta University. So this university started in 2015. It is a state university. Bhakta Kavi Narsimha Mehta offer MSc Microbiology for you. MPhil and PhD programs are also there. Junagadh Agriculture University. Whatever the courses are available that we see here. So in all the 4 or 5, Kamdenu University, Anand, Junagadh, Navsari, Dantewada Agriculture University. So few courses are available for you, for microbiologist and botany student who do not have the BSc in this agriculture background or dairy background. Okay. So for applying for that one, National Testing Agency regularly take this exam. This is known as the ICAR AI triple E AIEEA test for the MSc programs, All India Entrance Examination, or for admission to master's degree program in agriculture universities. So which courses are available for you? You have to read these dates. Okay, in the May, generally last year the forms were submitted and the examination was conducted in July, but right now it may be late due to the pandemic. So what courses are available? Plant biochemistry and biochemistry, plant biotech and molecular biotech, plant crop physiology, animal biotechnology, veterinary animal biochemistry, dairy microbiology, dairy chemistry, food safety and food science nutrition. So these are the courses are offered by the universities, agriculture universities. So student, in my all the past two lectures and in present lecture, I told you about the MSc programs. But if you are interested in MBA, so that is not a bad choice. If you have very good skill for the management, so many corporate cultures, many corporate offices require the person who have a knowledge in their microbiology subject as well as in this administration. So these are helpful for the corporate offices. So for entrance in the MBA in reputed institute, you have to clear the exam. There are 10 or different exams are there. CAT, MAT, GCAT, CMAT, XAT, NAMAT. And if you are passed, then you have to select the college on the basis of merit. And finally, you get the admission in MBA. These are the top 10 MBA colleges. MBA Biotechnology course. Amity University, Noida, Delhi, OPGS University, Salani University, DY Patil University, Bombay, JJTU, Junjunu, Rajasthan, AIIMS, Chennai, Amity Biotechnology, Delhi. So these are the 10 MBA institute, MBA in biotechnology. If you are interested in B.Ed, so there is a huge scope for you in every university. Numbers of B.Ed colleges are there. Get the admission. Yeah, apart from this one, in distance you can do the B.Ed in distance. Okay, through IGNOU. If you are interested for the government job after graduation, so search the government job after graduation in YouTube, and very nice lecture is there for microbiology, biotech, and bioscience student, which are the jobs. For any this job, at this you have to prepare for one. So first apply for that job, or before applying, you start your preparation, and after preparation, enough preparation, you appear for the exam. So for the exam, the attempts are fixed for the central exams. Only five chances for general category fellows, 9 for the OBC fellows, and there is no criteria attempts limit for the SC/ST candidates. So the exams are your selection is in 3 stages. First, you have to appear in preliminary test. If you qualify and pass, then you have to give the mains exam, and in after getting the enough marks in main exams and qualifying, you have to go for the interview. So 3 layer screening is performed. So for this one, there is a very good guidelines available on YouTube and locally in the market. Suppose you are thinking that after BSc I have no enough time for further study or financially weak, or there is a requirement to earn something for the family or any other reason, you are interested in the job. So what are the jobs possible? So it is known that the very good pharmaceuticals are in our Gujarat. I often heard that 50 to 55% of the pharmaceuticals of the India are in the region, golden belt of the Gujarat, from Kadi, Kalol, Mehsana, Ahmedabad to Baroda, Navsari, Vapi, Anand, Ankleshwar, and up to Mumbai and Aurangabad and Pune. So this golden belt is the best place to get the job for microbiology students. The data you can easily check from the Gujarat Vibrant Gujarat website. So you can see the richness of the pharmaceuticals and its importance of the for the career. So this is the golden belt there for clusters: Ahmedabad, Baroda, Bharuch, Ankleshwar, and Vapi Valsad clusters, where you definitely get the jobs. These are the various institutes where you get the job. What kind of jobs you are offered? So initially trainee, chemist, and microbiologist. After few years experience, you are promoted as project assistant and officer. And after 5 6 year excellent experience, you promoted as a executive and senior executive. And after 10 year of experience, you offered a assistant manager and manager post. What kind of departments are run by the pharmaceutical? So QC department, QA analytical lab department, R&D department, manufacture, production, something, wastewater plant, and corporate and marketing. So wherever you are fit and whatever the position you desire deserve, you get the job. Research is there. We right now in Gujarat number of institutes offering you the research option: cancer research, drug research, pharmaceutical, clinical research, agriculture, genetics. Okay, but these research are open only after the MSc program. Before MSc, it is worthwhile for the research. Okay, so these institutes are there. For environment management and conservation, we have number of institute where you get the jobs or do the research. If you want to become an educator or academician, so you must pass the MSc B plus minimum or first class, and you have to clear the NET slate exams. If you do the B.Ed and TET, you have to clear SET exam, you have to pass. Okay. If you are interested in a pathology lab, so after having the BSc, you should have MLT certificate, and using this MLT, clinical research and paramedical certificate, you can get the job in pathology laboratory or lab assistant in civil hospital, community centers, public health centers. You can join 108 service. You can work in blood bank and in forensic science. Then there is a big business of these biological products and pathological kits and genetic research kits. The colleges and school having this biological reagent, so you can serve yourself as a medical representative, marketing executive, and after good and enough experience, you may promoted as a marketing manager, area manager. So you can become a very good diagnostic kit supplier. Many of my students have earned a very good name in this area. Bioinformatics is a very good and international level work, and the people who are engaged in this one, they are international fellow, because it is not restricted to any region or any nation or the state. So this career, if you choose, you become an international one. But in case of the job opportunity, very limited resources are there in our India level, where you can get the job on basis of bioinformatics, but you can get the research, and you can take the you can give your service for the researchers. Similar thing is about the biostatistician. You can give your help and support to the researcher, and you can also join the WHO and other organizations for the statistical services. Gujarat is a hub Indian startup, and Gujarat have the 100% startup efficiency, and based in the Gujarat, where you can get promoted by the government to start the research, to give the what say support, financial support, research facility. Okay, so for further detail, you should visit GSBTM website, and you have to contact that fellow. How can you start your business? So this startup, bioincubator, very good facility, biotech park, all are in Gujarat. So after the this third lecture, I would like to complete my this marathon lecture. Many things left remain till now, and many information may be unknowingly delivered wrong. So ignore it one, and my contact number is on the screen. You may contact me for further questions, and thank you very much for this uh, watching my video. My request to you all that please spread this video to maximum student who can get benefited from these lectures. Thank you very much, and nice to save your lives, fight against corona, and maintain your uh, physical and mental health in this time. Thank you very much.